Hello, little friends. Today we're going to draw something super fun. It's a cheerful piglet, and right beside him is his little brother. First, we draw his big round head. Then 2 funny ears and 2 round eyes with the snout right in the middle. Next, a sweet little smile so he always looks happy. Now let's draw his body nice and round. Then we add 2 arms and 2 legs. In one arm, he's holding his little brother. And don't forget the cute curly tail at the end. We'll color the piglet in blue. Now it's time to color, and his little brother in green.
Piglet laughs and plays all day. 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 Holding his brother in a loving way. 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 Blue and green. What a sight. Blue and green. What a sight. Together they shine. Pure delight. Together they shine. Pure delight.
Isn't that fun? I'm sure your drawing looks amazing too. So keep coloring, keep smiling only on Kiddo Color Club.